So you want to chop your vocals in Cubase? Let's do it! The most versatile way to make vocal chops is by using Groove Agent. So I recorded some vocals. Next I'm gonna create a track for Groove Agent. And now I just have to drag my vocal onto a pad. Then click on Slice, Create Slices, choose a slicing mode. I'm gonna go for transient and then lower the threshold until I have the kind of slices I can work with. And now I can just play them on my keyboard. The cool thing about Groove Agent is that you can click on any pad and then go into detail for every slice. Drag the start and end point. Change volume, panning, pitch. If you go to the pitch menu, you get even more control with this pitch envelope. Same for the filter and amp menu. I'm quickly gonna show you another way to chop audio. Just create a sampler track, drag your audio in, and then it's the same thing. Go to Slice, choose the mode, and start playing your keyboard. Here you can also play around with these parameters, but they will apply to the entire audio file. So I hope this helped. If it did, please like the video
and also subscribe
and have fun making music.